In this video, we'll look at another nature of roots question, but asked in a slightly strange and slightly different way, which I find always useful and juicy. And so they say if 5 is a root of the equation of mx squared minus 13x minus 10 equals 0, determine m and the other root. And so the first thing is, if 5 is a root is like an x-intercept. If 5 is a root, then the bracket that gave you that root would be x minus 5. That's one thing. If 5 is a root, it means that if I subbed in 5 into the equation, it would end up equaling 0. And so that's just a helpful knowledge of that little statement there, that it elicits those two bits of information. And so if I subbed 5 into this equation, then the whole equation should equal 0 perfectly. And so I'd get 25m minus 65 minus 10 equals 0. 25m equals positive 75, m equals 3. So now I know that m is 3. So the original equation is just 3. X squared minus 13x minus 10 equals 0. I know the one factor must have been x minus 5. And so to go backwards factorizing, if I need to get a 3x squared, then the first term must be 3x. If I need to end up with minus 10, then it must be minus 5 times positive 2. And there I can go forwards again and get my one x-intercept, my one root, and my other root. And so determine m, we worked out m and the other root, and there's the other root. I hope that you found this question helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks.